Welcome to Ada and Daddy channels.
What are we going to be doing today?
We're gonna play some games.
The game that you came up with?
Yes?
Okay, show me what it's called. Alright, we're going to be playing the games on the iPad today, and it's a game that called a unicorn chef.
Yeah?
So, what have we got?
This one.
Okay, since we are recording the screen, I'm going to be showing the screen right here, okay? So first we have to choose what kind of...
Cake we want or candies.
Okay, Ada gonna make me a cake in the game.
Yes!
Okay.
What do you like?
Well, I like, let's see. Well, I'm gonna take a princess cake. I'm gonna choose a princess cake.
Okay, Daddy gonna choose the princess cake in the showdown.
Alright, the princess cake. So, what do you have to do?
We need to mix up the ingredient then.
Ingredients, right? You have to mix up the ingredients and create a cake. Okay, let's start it.
Firstly, pour some strawberry cake mix into the bowl.
Did you hear it?
We have to put the strawberry flowers.
Less strawberry milk.
And then put the strawberry milk.
Put the milk,
It's-
then the milk.
It looks very fluffy, but we need to mix it too.
So then we have to mix it,
Yeah?
right? Slowly, slowly, and slowly. Right?
Wow, so nice.
Not mix it quickly because when we mix it quickly, our cake will spin out.
Right. Right.
Pour the strawberry cake batter into 3 cake molds.
We need to put those cake in the circle ball.
Right.
It's bigger and small.
Oh, so this is gonna be the 3 layer of the cake, right? So we need 3 different sizes.
Yes?
Oh, I see. That's
We need a
nice.
layer of a cake because that you know the cake has 1 layer, 2 layer, and 3 layer.
Right. So the big layer at the bottom,
Yeah?
the middle
Middle
layer,
layer.
and the small layer at the top.
Yeah.
Okay. Then we have to
Put the cake in the oven.
put the cake in the oven.
We need to wear the scarf because that will be very hot.
So we have to wear the glove
Yeah?
to protect our hands.
Yeah?
Okay.
Because it will be very, very hot.
Yeah.
Good. Time to wrap.
Now it's very good and to be. We're
Okay.
gonna choose the Elsa cake. The Elsa cake, I will choose blue.
That's kind of mint color though.
Yeah, yeah. When we finish, I will show you what it look like.
Okay, sure.
Let's tear up the cakes. Nice.
We need to tear up the cake too. When
Into the cake center.
plastic in the cake like
Okay.
this.
Good job.
Tap it and put it down.
Oh,
Rod.
so that's going to be the core. That's why the cake stay in shape, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So the cake won't go wobbling.
Yes.
Okay.
Let's open it more. And let's get it down.
I know what I want.
Oh,
put it,
that's
get
how
it.
it goes. Yeah.
Now we need to make 2 layer left. Now we're gonna put the
Middle layer.
middle layers.
Oh, it's so cute.
And then I will put 2 stars into again.
Yeah, that's what hold the cake into places, right?
Yeah, right.
Wow.
Oh, I didn't know about that.
Finally, let's build the 3rd layer of
Let's build the 3rd layer.
Okay. Yeah, then
Good job.
we finished 3 layers of the
The,
cake.
the game says good job.
Good job.
It's time to choose your favorite princess.
Have Elsa, Cinderella, Jasmine, and Mulan.
Well, Jasmine,
I want Elsa. Because
Okay.
that's the best, Daddy.
Okay, Elsa.
Great choice.
Because we have blue already.
Alright, Jasmine likes blue too, right? Her cross is blue, if I remember correctly.
Yes.
But this time, Jasmine is purple. So,
Okay.
so now Elsa can be blue dress.
Okay, then so what else do we have to do?
We need to put the crown. Shoot the crown at best. I will shoot this one. But I want to look the video because the video make it so noisy. Let's shoot this crown.
Okay.
Yum.
This crown is for Cinderella.
Yeah.
Wow! Now I need to decorate it, but this was so pretty.
Right, so the next one is decoration. Put the icing on the cake, let's say.
Whatever you like to decorate your food.
Okay.
Let's have a candy, sprinkles, and wow! I gotta choose the plate.
The plate.
Wow! Let me choose it.
Unicorn plate, I like that one.
Let me choose this one.
Okay.
Wow! Let me take a photo of it.
Yeah. It's gonna be like a simulated Polaroid where you have to, like
I
do
will
something like this.
save it
Save it.
in
Okay.
my picture one.
Okay,
In
in your
my
in your
iPad.
photo library in your iPad.
Yeah.
Okay. Then the next one is gonna be time to eat. This is my favorite part. So we got to eat it together. And this is how we eat it. We just tap on the cake.
And get some money or diamonds.
Okay. So as we tap, it's gonna be like a bonus, a coins, ruby, diamond.
We'll get all of it. Then we tap it. Wow, diamonds.
Diamond. Yeah, you got it. So that was nice, right? Okay.
We
So
ate it all gone. See?
we finished our cake.
Finish our cake.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
Don't forget to load this game too if you like it.
don't forget to load this game if you like.
Okay.
Okay, goodbye.
Bye.
So a little bit of the aftermath. Okay, that was a good game. That was a good playing with that was a game that Ada invented herself. She liked the game and she liked creating. So given the game and given anything, the children can create. And when they create, they want to share with the world. And the first one they're gonna share is with the parents, right? So, well, play with them, let them create. Give them the games and the apps that they can create things and turn into the games that they can have activities with you. Who knows? One day they might create the cross, the apps. They might create some products, some things with their imagination and share with the world. Okay, I think what they would be at 30 or 40 will be defined when they are 3 or 4. So. Again, let them create and share their creation with you, and possibly turn to the game and have fun.
Yeah.
Right? It's a good
Right.
family activities. Okay, until next time. See you.
Bye.
Bye bye.